Brothers and sisters, in the first reading, we listen the story of Abram, and after he was called Abraham, and the promise of blessings which God extends to him. Abraham hears the Lord's call to leave his homeland and journey out to a new land which God will show him. Abraham responds in obedience and therefore is blessed even more abundantly. And after Abraham was called as a father of the faith, and blessings flow to others because of Abraham's response to God's blessings. Thus, God makes a triple promise: land, descendant, and source of blessing for others, as he shared what he was with others. In the Holy Gospel, we listen an interesting story. Jesus knows the reality of our life. As a human being, it is easier to see the weakness of others. Sometimes it is easier for us to judge others than to look into ourselves. And Jesus reminds his followers that they must be responsible. That is, they must be able to respond to the blessing which God has given them. God has already blessed the disciples of Jesus, and future blessings will depend on how they respond by extending their blessings to others. If they understand and gracious givers to others, God will continue to be understanding of them and will graciously give even more to them. They must also be aware of their own faults and failings and be willing to improve themselves before they can criticize the faults of others. Brothers and sisters, as we reflect on the readings today, we realize how gracious God is. God is willing to bless and give one of us. We are invited to respond to the blessings that we have received from God and extend those blessings to others, especially those who are in need in our family, in our community or society. And blessings are meant to be shared. God is always willing to give blessings, and God is waiting to extend the divine gifts to people. So we must be willing to ask for God's gifts. And once the gifts are received, we must be shared and used responsibly. I think Saint Aloysius Gonzaga gave us a very good example today to follow. Let us offer our life to love God and love others. So may we continue to respond to all the gifts and blessings God has given us, and may we reach out to others and share all the good things God has shared to us.